Now, I mean, one of those little guys, if you were to take him on a walk right now, that you would probably...
They would need some little raincoat.
Yeah, you need a little raincoat.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And they even may get picked up by the wind and blown away, too. Those tiny dogs.
Totally what I was thinking. Yeah. I'm glad you said that.
I'm just kidding. But we are tracking some gusty winds around the region. The coast has seen the strongest winds so far. But we are now seeing some of those stronger winds working into the valley now. Sustained winds up to 20 miles per hour in spots. In Portland now, 16-mile-per-hour sustained winds. Not too many gusts at the moment, but as we head into our next few hours, we are expecting to see some wind gusts ramping up, maybe up to 40 miles per hour. Take a look at some of these wind gusts that we've tracked since about midnight this morning. A lot of these spots out to the coast have seen some impressive strengths of wind. Out to Lincoln City, 69-mile-per-hour wind gusts. Out to Yachats, 51. Again, it's just been a stormy start for the Oregon coastline. So let's talk about the power of wind. Usually it takes only about 3-mile-per-hour winds to lift up a leaf and blow it around. In terms of a trash can, we only need about 28-mile-per-hour winds. So if you did have trash day last night, you're just waking up as these wind gusts start to arrive, a chance that you see those trash cans in your neighbor's yard. So grab them early here if you're just waking up. An average person takes close to 70-mile-per-hour wind gusts to be picked up, a car closer to about 90. So we're not in this range, but today we will see some maximum wind gusts close to 30, maybe 40 miles per hour, our windiest hours from now until about 2 to 3 p.m. We'll see some relief from these winds as we head into our evening. So there's the rain now working through Portland. It's shifting towards the northeast. We'll see pockets of these showers the rest of the morning, so keep the rain gear nearby. Here's our day planner in Portland. Wet and windy through the rest of the day. Those winds start to die by tonight. The rain showers start to let up a little as well. And our highs today only in the upper 50s. Back to you guys.
All right. Thank you, Kelly. It is 8:40.